imagine you have the building and water is raining. Water is logging in between them. So our task is to calculate how much water can be logged in between those buildings. So basically, you will be given height array. This height array will be height of a building, and you need to calculate how much water can be uh, logged between them. So first approach is very simple. Just we need to um, calculate the maximum of left and the maximum of right, and then whichever is the minimum, just we need to uh, minus it from that number. Uh, Hello everyone. We'll be solving second problem today called the water drain. Hello everyone. Uh, let's start with the second problem called it as the trapping rainwater. When there is a raining, heavy raining, water will be logged in between the building. So we need to calculate how much water can be logged. Maximum water can be logged in between those buildings. So we'll be given a height of a building 42035. This is height of a building, and we need to calculate what is the maximum amount of logging possible. So basically, in first approach, we can just go and calculate maximum from left side and maximum from right side. So in this case, we will be just 4 and 5, and then we will be calculating minimum of this. Minimum will be 4. Then minus it from whole array and just add it. So that will be our brute force approach. So again, brute force also we can do it two way using two for loop, or on the go we can just uh, calculate maximum from left side. So maximum from left side will be 4 4 4 4 4 and 5, and uh, right side will be again just um 5 5 5 5 5 and 5. So when we will be calculating, we have to just get minimum of these two. Minimum again will be 4. So again we need to minus it, and then once we add it, we will get our number. But instead of doing this, what we can do on the go itself, we can calculate the maximum height from left side as well as the right side. So that way, it will be very efficiently we can calculate. We don't need to use any extra space like the second approach I have explained. So let's do it. Firstly, array should be at least of 3, because within uh, without 3 buildings, water can't be logged. So first condition will be just checking if height is height array is null, or height height array size length less than 3, then just return 0, because water can't be logged there. Now let's start with the implementation. So implementation wise, we will be just going one by one. So we'll start from left side and go until the right side. So right side will be basically height of array. Sorry, length of array. Then we'll be calculating max from left side. So max left equal to 0, and max right equal to 0. Again, we'll need one counter that will be counting the water, how much water is trapped there, locked there. So what we can do, we can just define one counter let's say logging counter maybe. Uh, let's say just a counter. We can give any name, that doesn't matter. So we'll be just defining one while loop because we'll be calculating on the go from left as well to the right. So that we'll don't need to define two loops. So it will be the first. Now in first case, what we need to check? We need to check if my height, first condition, my height left is okay. This is my first condition. Okay. If this is true, then we will go from left to right. So for that purpose, just go from here. So just write it here. Height. This height is we are calculating what we are calculating max length. So this height is greater than or equal to max left. Then max left should be else what we'll be doing? We just calculating that number. So counter. Uh, as I mentioned earlier, how we'll be calculating minimum of. We don't need to calculate minimum here because we are going one by one. So max left from left side itself will be doing so max left minus I. So that will be yeah, that we are good with left side. Now just do repeat on the right side. Just so for doing it quickly, I am just not here actually. Just I plugged up here. Yeah, just else condition we can write it and just paste it. This is not required because else will be covering that. This is also not required. Yeah, we are good. Now just minus one. Just what we'll be doing? I'm doing it from the right side. The right side will be max right. Firstly, it will be J because we are doing it from the right side. And here also J. Right at max right. Okay, max right. And just after doing each and everything, just return it. Return counter. That's what we need to return. Just indentation. I'm doing nothing else. Let's try to run it. Okay, let's take now. Let's go to lead code and just run it. Yeah. Now let's send it. Yeah, we are good. Okay. So we can yeah, we can say this problem is completed. Hope you understand this, guys. And if you have any doubt, you can just comment it. Thanks.